Stopwatch. Start ticks the clock. Stop pauses. Start again continues from where it left off. That is one mutex around an AppState struct. 3 fields stay consistent across every command. Here is the build. Start from a fresh Tauri 2 React app. No extra dependencies for this one. Define an AppState struct with 3 fields, a running flag, an elapsed millisecond counter, and an optional instant for when the current run started. These 3 fields have to move together. Mutex is what guarantees that every command takes the lock, mutates, releases. No other command can observe a half-updated state. Start is the first command. State less than mutex, less than AppState, greater than is injected by Tauri. Lock the mutex, flip running to true, stamp started _ with the current instant. If already running, do nothing. Stop is the interesting one. Take the instant out of started _ add its elapsed time to the millisecond counter, then flip running to false. The accumulated total survives every pause. Reset zeros all 3 fields at once. This is exactly why a mutex over a struct beats 3 separate atomics. You cannot race here. Get _ elapsed is the read. If running, add the current instance elapsed time on top of the saved counter. If stopped, just return the counter. Register the mutex on the builder with manage. Wire the 4 commands through invoke _ handler. The state is live before any command can be invoked. On the JavaScript side, a tiny format helper. Turn milliseconds into a clock display. Fresh launch. Clock is at 0. Hit start. The clock ticks. Every 50 milliseconds, the React side calls get _ elapsed and re-renders. Stop. The clock pauses. The mutex now holds the accumulated milliseconds. Start again. Continues from where it stopped. That is the elapsed counter doing its job. Reset zeros it. Start once more. Fresh count. Global state in Tauri 2. 1 mutex around a struct. Registered with manage. State extractor on every command. The pattern scales to anything, where multiple fields need coordinated updates. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Tauri tutorials, drop a comment with questions for Claude to reply, and share with anyone building a desktop app.